Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be showing you the heading animation block in WordPress Nextr. This is a part of a series of videos taking a look at Nextr's blocks one by one. To get started, let's go ahead and open a brand new blank page to look at this block on its own. Alright, before we continue any further, let's take care of some housekeeping things. There's this right-hand sidebar over here. If it's not here, just click on this button called Settings beside the Publish button, and this is where all of our settings and parameters for the block to toggle and configure will show up. Next, let's give our page a title. Just to keep things organized, and last but not least, let's add the block itself. So there's this blue plus icon here. It's called the block inserter. We can either search for our block over here, and you can see Nextr block is here. So we can just scroll down and look for it, right? And you can see heading animation. Now, this is a bit different from heading and heading advanced. Let's drag and drop this into place. And you can see right away we have what it is, and it's pretty self-explanatory. We have two types here. We have highlights, which just like draws an SVG over your heading, and we have text animation, right? And we'll use both today just so you can see. So let's take a look at the highlights one. Let's go with this wide circle style, and here we can change what our text is. So we can change this to whatever we want. Let's say and then right, and we can do something like this, and we can also use dynamic fields. So if we wanted to animate current events, titles, dates, names, comments, we can do that. And we can change our alignment within the block. That's about it. We also have our, well, for this layout tab, and for style, we have our title tags. We can make them heading 2, 3, 4, so on. We can change the typography here independent of our heading tags. We can change our color. We can even change the typography for our animated text. You can see. And we have our highlight animation here. We can change our stroke width. We can change our stroke color. So let's change this to, let's change this to something else, right? And we can change the opacity, make it blue, and then change the animation duration to be a bit longer. There you go. And that's about it. Everything else is going to be the same for every single Nextr block, right? We have our global styles here, spacing, background, on scroll animation for the whole thing, right? I'll keep this off, and we have our display rules, display conditions, our hard position settings here, z-index, and responsive settings to hide this on desktop, tablet, and or mobile. Let's go ahead and duplicate this, and let's set it to the other one. So we have our text animation over here. And as you can see, we have a few different ones here, right? So we have our labels here. We can change this to something else, like right, and then we can change this to we can just remove this. Website assets, learning, creative, right? And we can shift whichever one appears first or next, right? We'll put this in the middle, and it's the same as our other one here. And you can see we just have a few different styles to choose from. I think I like this one the best. And for style, let's go ahead and change our animated text color to something else. Let's say green. Okay. And let's go ahead and hit publish. All right, with that done saving, you can see here we have our animations all set up, and you can see it works perfectly. So this is a very creative way to, well, very easy way to make your site look much more creative and much more engaging for your viewers, for your readers, for your users. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey, if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out one of our other videos, or go ahead and check out our channel and subscribe to see more content like this.